G'day, it's Matt from the Newlon Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to change the transfer case oil in your four-wheel drive. This is often overlooked or forgotten when servicing the drivetrain. Over time, the oil in the transfer deteriorates and can get contaminated, which also can lead to wear and damage to the internals. This is sped up if you do any off-road driving or river crossings. Now, this guide will take you through the steps to replace the oil in your transfer, but first, let's go over the tools and equipment that you're going to need.
You're going to need jack and jack stands or car ramps, correct tool for the drain plugs, oil catch pan that holds enough oil to suit your car, bag of rags to clean up any spills or drops, the correct oil for your car based on the Newlon Lube Guide.
Now, before starting, you need to make sure your vehicle is on a level surface, the engine is switched off, and the park brake is on.
Use the jack to lift and support the vehicle with jack stands, trying to keep the car level, or try and make the drain plug the lowest point so the oil can drain out.
Now, draining the transfer case is generally straightforward. A handy tip though is to loosen the fuel plug first, because imagine going through all of that and not being able to get the fuel plug off to then refill.
Place the oil catch pan under the transfer case drain plug and use the correct tool to crack the fuel plug and drain plug. Use your hand to undo the plug so it doesn't drop into the pan. Allow the oil to drain completely into the pan. Once the oil has drained, clean the drain plug with a rag, replace it and torque to factory specs.
Newlon's easy squeeze packaging makes refilling an absolute breeze.
Check your owner's manual for how many bags you'll need. Remove the filler plug you have already loosened. Grab your Newlon Easy Squeeze in the correct viscosity, attach the fill tube, insert it into the fill point and start squeezing. It's that easy. Continue to fill the transfer case until the oil starts pouring out of the fill plug. Replace the fill plug and clean any spills with a rag.
Disposing of used oil and fluids incorrectly can pollute land, water and infrastructure, so it's essential that you dispose or recycle used oil correctly. Now, there are plenty of used oil recycling stations located around Australia. Some locations will take your oil filters, oily rags and plastic oil containers, so make sure you check that out when you recycle your oil. Thanks for joining us here in the Newlon Garage. Go and check out some more videos on how to service your car at home for more DIY tips.